呢個機場啱啱咧就接咗咧教授咧嚟到香港啦。咁咧首先咧我哋都即係歡迎教授嚟到啦。Welcome, Professor.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yes, it's happy to see you again in Hong
Oh,
Kong.
me too, me too. Yeah,
Yes.
I'm happy to stand here with the people in Hong Kong.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
OK，好啦，咁啊，除咗教授之外，當然仲有佢仔仔 Lucas 啦，Lucas。OK，say hi。好啦，咁啊，今次咧，阿 Lucas 咧嚟到咧，當然都會係了解多啲教授嘅工作啦。咁咧就將來佢會喺世界各地唔同嘅地方咧，都可以咧為好多唔同嘅人民服務啦。咁喺今次呢一個亞洲之旅2025入邊咧，其實係我哋都有好多嘢去做㗎。例如咧就係我哋會有我哋嘅靈性嘅課程啦。教授嚟到香港咧，當然係亦都會咧做一啲嘅靈性課程啦，去提升大家喺唔同方面嘅一啲嘅能力啦。另外咧，今年咧我哋仲會咧有能量治療啦。咁呢個一直都有嘅，不過今年咧我哋就會再安排一個新嘅section 啦，就係咧幫一啲有癌症啊，或者有一啲咧罕見病嘅朋友咧，係做一啲免費嘅治療啊。希望咧可以令到佢哋嘅健康啦，希望令到佢嘅病情咧可以減輕嘅。咁啊，當然亦都唔少得咧，我哋亦都教授嚟到香港啦，亦都會為我哋去發布一啲嘅預言啦。咁咧喺24號咧，咁我哋就會喺鮮竹卷嘅活動嗰度咧會見到大家。Okay, I think it is the time we go to the hotel.
Yes.
Yes, and take a good dinner.
Yes.
And also have the good sleep tonight.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. See you all tomorrow.
Oh,
Okay.
see you tomorrow.
好啦，咁啊聽日咧就正式咧開始即係同大家見面啦。咁啊呢度都唔阻教授休息啦。咁啊我會帶佢哋咧先去食啲嘢先，然後咧今晚瞓個好嘅覺咧，聽日開始咧同大家見面。咁啊隨時咧留意住我哋嘅 live 啦。咁我哋會好快咧有唔同嘅資訊咧會發布俾大家嘅。OK， 好，拜拜。
拜拜，拜拜。
拜拜。好啦。